Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a raw mango spicy and sweet chutney kache aam ki lonji. Okay, so let's get started. First we need a raw mango. So here I have taken raw mango. This is called kacha aam. Okay, kachi keri also you can say. Now this is washed because after peeling you cannot wash it. So first you have to wash it nicely. I have washed it. This is almost half a kg. I have washed. Now I will peel the skin. I'll peel the skin with the peeler. Okay, I'm using the peeler and I'll peel the skin like this. Okay, like this. I'll finish all and then I'll show you. As you can see my friends, I have peeled all the raw mangoes. Now I'll cut. Okay, so I'll show you how I'll be cutting it. So here I am using a chopping board to cut like this. Now we'll cut like this. Like this we will cut. We need only the flesh. Now I'll cut small pieces like this. Not too small, okay? Like this I'm cutting. As you can see, little bit of thickness should be there. So I have cut one mango like this, similar. I will cut all the raw mangoes and I'll show you. So my friends, I have finished cutting all the raw mangoes and now it's over. So let's get started directly to our recipe. For the ingredients, what we are taking is, this is fenugreek seed. We will be taking half a teaspoon. Okay, this is ajwain. Carom seeds, we will be taking half a teaspoon. This is black salt and this is black rock salt. So this we will be taking according to the taste. Here I have taken 1 cup of raw jaggery. But if you don't have jaggery, you can take sugar also in place of this, or brown sugar will also work. But here what I want to tell you is, friends, jaggery will be according the taste, the sweetness what you want, because we have to balance between the tanginess, spiciness and the sweeter side. Okay, and the saltiness also. So these 4 flavor will be there, but in a balanced way. Then friends, we need cumin seed. Cumin seed, here we are taking 1 teaspoon. This is nigella seed, or you can say kalonji, or onion seed also some people call it, and this we will take half a teaspoon. And this is fennel seed, saunf, that we are taking 2 teaspoons. Then friends, we will be taking mustard seeds, half a teaspoon. Then friends, we need asafoetida powder also you can take, but here I have the solid form. So if you are taking the powder form, then you need half a teaspoon, or you can put the small one. Okay. Then for the spiciness, we need a red chili. So here I am taking red chili and I will be putting 2 teaspoons of red chili. If you don't want that much of spiciness, then you can go for 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay friends, and now we will then we need oil to fry this. 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat nicely and then we will add all the ingredients. As you can see friends, the mustard seed oil is now on a smoking temperature. To this now I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I'll add fennel seed, a soft 2 teaspoons. Then fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon. I'll switch off the gas and then do everything. Okay. And then ajwain or carom seed, half a teaspoon. Then we will go with nigella seed, that I'll add half a teaspoon. And with this I'll add, so here I'm adding asafoetida also, hing. Okay, this time I've switched off the gas, okay, because the oil was quite hot. Now I'll add raw mango to this. Mix once. So now we will switch on the gas. Half a teaspoon salt, that also black salt I am adding. If I feel like it is less, I'll add more. Then I'll add red chili powder for the spicier side. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Then I'll mix it. So I'll mix. So I'm adding jaggery to this. Okay. You can make small pieces and add. So I'll just cover it and cook this for at least 40 to 45 minutes. I'm covering this. I'll cover and in low flame I'll cook it for 40 minutes, at least 40 to 45 minutes. Friends, in between you have to open and stir it like this. See friends, now the jaggery is also releasing the water, and see we have not added any water, but still see, because the raw mango will also release the water, so we don't need any water and the shelf life will be more. You should see that the raw mangoes are transparent. Till that time we will be cooking. Okay, so again we'll put the lid and let it cook. Again my friends, I will open and mix it. Let's see this. See how much water the raw mango and jaggery is releasing. See, so we will just keep on mixing it like this. So that, okay friends, now I will again open and show you. See, and I think you can see the mangoes are now translucent. Okay, so now I'll just switch off the gas and our raw mango spicy sweet chutney is ready. Please try this with puris, chapati, paratha, and let me know how it came out. Please give your comments and your feedbacks. Please share my channel.